Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into ESPN app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded ESPN, and once you open it you will be able to see the interface on your screen where you can find setting option at top right corner. Just tap on it and now you'll be able to see log into my Disney account. Simply tap there. And now right after that you will be able to see another section of ESPN where it is asking us for our email address. So let me show you an example. Now once your credential is completed, simply click on login and you will be able to log in. So basically this is how you can log into ESPN app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.